Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting now? Open the CVS A1c kit and lay parts on a clean surface. First, label the collection card or vial with your name and date so the lab can match it. Then warm and wash your hands because clean, warm fingers give better blood flow. Dry them thoroughly. Prepare the lancet and alcohol wipe and keep the bandage handy. Once ready, position your finger and follow the kit's puncture instructions, aiming for a steady, controlled drop of blood into the collector. Now collect the sample. Prick the side of your fingertip with the lancet and allow a large drop to form. Squeeze gently from the base toward the tip to keep flow steady. Place drops directly onto the card or into the vial, filling the circles or tubes as the instructions show. Uneven or smeared samples can invalidate results. Once done, let card spots air dry on a clean surface if required. Make sure any forms or QR codes are completed and attached so the lab receives your identity and test request. Finish by placing the dried card or sealed vial into the biohazard pouch and return mailer, then drop it at the specified location. Prompt shipping keeps sample viable. Record the collection date and time so you can interpret turnaround. Results often arrive in days to weeks. If the sample looks smeared, too light, or you had excessive bleeding, repeat collection with a new kit or contact CVS support for guidance. This prevents inaccurate A1c readings and ensures proper care.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.